Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever.
Welcome to Melody's Treasure Box. Hi, Treasure Box. We have the new Party Popteenies. Yay!
We're so excited. It's a new toy from Spin Master. And we have this awesome playset, the Poptastic Party playset. And we also got the double surprise poppers here.
Yay! What's at this party station? Yay!
Yay! Whoa!
Yay!
Hey guys, they look super girly and fun. Which one do you want to open, Melody?
I'll open this one.
Okay, let's start with the double surprise popper. Whoop. It's series 1, and there's 1 doll, 1 pet, and 10 surprises inside this double surprise popper. Cool. And it says it's a special glitter edition doll. Look how cute they are and colorful. Which party will you pop? There's Cutie Creatures, Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, and Winter Wonderland Surprise, and they're by Spin Master. And here are the instructions in the back. Looks like so much fun. And there's also individual surprise poppers, party surprise box play sets, and today we'll also open the Poptastic party play set.
Ooh, that looks fun.
Melody, you can open the first one.
Wow, look, it's so big.
Cool.
Wow. First it came with this little package. Check out what's inside, Melody.
Okay.
Whoa.
Ooh.
Looks like it's all a party in there.
Party stationery.
Oh, and stickers. Check that out.
Oh, they look super kawaii. All of our favorite things. Unicorns, rainbows, donuts. Along with some balloons and streamers. And here's a checklist. There's 25 to collect. And the different themes again are Cutie Animal Surprise, Rainbow Unicorn Surprise, and Winter Wonderland Surprise. Ooh, looks like there's a mystery one too. I wonder what she looks like. They're so cute. It says, join the party online, partypopteenies.com. Melody, which one do you hope to get?
I hope to get a Kawaii one.
Kawaii one?
They're all super
I
kawaii.
hope to get the Cupid one.
The question mark one. Cool.
And the cool thing is we have 2 poppers. There's one on each side.
Mommy, I figured it out.
So it's twice the fun.
Wow, it's really spinning around. Maybe there was a turf between this.
Oh, it's separated.
Look, there's something between them. Something between the 2 poppers.
Cool. So the first thing that popped out were these blind bags. Looks like there's 5.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too. What is it?
A rainbow purse.
Oh my gosh.
A little puppy.
So cute.
These are cuteness.
It's a little hat.
It's an ice cream hat.
Wow.
Cute. Little water pitcher.
I wonder what this is.
Oh, 2 little glasses.
Ooh, these look so cute.
Do you want some water?
Yes.
Do you want something to drink?
Sure. Ooh, we got this glittery hat and rainbow purse. How cute. Here's a pitcher and cups. And the cutest little doggy. Oh, how sweet. Okay, let's see the first pop.
Okay.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That actually surprised me. Oh, and look in the top. Whoa! She did a double jump. Look in the top there.
Look at all the confetti.
Yeah, look at this. There's hearts and all kinds of emojis in here.
Yay, we got Bella from the Rainbow Unicorn Surprise theme. She's so glittery and cute. I love her rainbow outfit and pink pigtails. And she's the main one on the package. How cool. And now she's all dressed with her hat, purse, and her cute little dog. Yay. Who else is in that popper?
I don't know.
Well, we have one more to go.
Wait, 1, 2, 3.
Wow! Oh, look at that. It's a unicorn on a cake.
Oh, there's a mini unicorn on this double-tiered cake. Wow, so cute. There's Bella on the checklist, and that's our first Party Popteenie. Yay!
Yay! You ready for the next one, Melody?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what's in that one, Melody? More party decorations. Cool. And more stickers. Oh, we've got snowflakes, cupcakes, candy. Ooh, and we got some more of the same. We've got bows and snowflakes on these decorations here.
Perfect. I want to decorate already. These stickers are so cool. Check it out.
Yeah, okay, and we got another checklist, but we already know what's in there. And There's our 2 poppers. Oh, blind bags in the middle again.
Hey.
Oh. Wow, Melody, look at all these goodies.
Yeah! First there's a pretzel, and there's a headband for the person, and there's a fox, and there's a mirror, and there's 2 little drinks with whipped creams and straws.
Ooh, it looks good, huh? Okay, this time we're gonna pop them together at the same time, all right?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
4.
Whoa! Okay, who did you get? Look, I got a little swan.
And I got a little person who has a dress with sparkly, and also she has blue hair.
Oh, we got Mai from the Winter Wonderland surprise.
I love that.
Cute, and that explains why the decorations were winter, right?
Yeah.
Cute, look at her. Aww. Hello, I'm a fox and I'm with Mai. Who's your owner?
And my owner's named Bella.
Oh, is that the cute one over here with the rainbow?
Yeah. Daddy, there's more ones than that one. Let's open it.
Okay,
Yay!
and there's the decorations. Oh, it looks just like the first one we got, huh, Melody?
Yeah.
Even the decorations and balloons.
Okay, here's all the line bags.
I think I can open them all at one time. Let's dump it out, see what we got.
Okay.
Oh, we got another doggy, and another picture, and another hat, and glasses.
Oh, I think this is the duplicate. Look, this is the same one.
And that's okay, we wanted a duplicate of that one. Bella is pretty cute, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it the same as last time.
Okay.
Ready? 1,
1,
2, 3. Whoa, yours went first this time, and it is a duplicate. Look at that. Yep, you've got Bella, and I've got the cake with the unicorn, right?
Wow, look at that. We got 2 Bellas and 1 Mai.
Yeah, so
Well,
we
I
got
like-
double of the accessories.
Well, I like Mai better because look, you're so cute.
And Mai is very cute with her winter dress and
Yeah.
her ice sculpture swan. I think that's what that is. I think that's an ice sculpture.
Yeah, me too. Okay, next let's open this.
The Poptastic Party playset.
Yeah!
It comes with a spinning dance floor for up to 6 dolls. It includes 1 exclusive doll, and it's got a DJ booth and a photo booth and a working elevator. And look here on the front, it's got 3 surprise gifts to unwrap.
Dad, let's open this.
Okay. Wow. It's a pretty heavy playset.
Here's a little table with 3 gifts. What's in there?
I don't know, but it rattles.
Okay.
And it comes with a Party Pop Teenie.
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow, look at this. This is the box playset, Melody.
Whoa.
Whoa, look how much is in there.
What?
Wow, that came with a lot of parts, Melody.
Yeah, check out this mirror.
Cute. And look at that. It's got a camera. That must be part of the photo booth.
Yeah, no, this must be the cake pop surprise. Ooh, look at this disco ball.
Cute.
Okay, I think we found the dance floors.
Look at this, Melody.
Whoa! Woohoo! And stands.
Okay, we just built it according to the instructions, and here it is.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it is. It's got a DJ station, and it's got a 6-person dance station. It's got a surprise cake, and it's got 2 floors with an elevator that goes up to the top here.
And it has a photo booth and also has the pictures.
Oh, it has backdrops. Oh, Koa's joining us to check it out. Wow.
Ooh, that's a rainbow unicorn surprise.
Yeah, I want to take my picture in front of the rainbow unicorn surprise, but I need to check. But I need to check my. Oh no, Koa.
I want it too.
Okay, but I need to have a mirror to check myself.
Okay, here's a mirror. And there's 2 more photos.
Yeah, let's show the other backdrops.
In the Winter Wonderland.
With penguins and an igloo, huh?
Yeah. Wow, it's perfect. I love it.
There's another backdrop.
Yeah.
What is this one?
The 2 animal surprise.
Ooh, can I take my picture in front of this one?
I don't want to because it's not icy. Watch, do it.
Check it out, you can put accessories in the mirror too.
Elevator, take us down.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Too fast. Go on there. Okay. Oh no. There we go. Boy, this is a crazy elevator.
Wow, look, we got stickers.
Oh, they're pretty. Balloons and what? Candy?
Yeah.
And snowflakes?
Mine.
Whoa, 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 Koa. Are you decorating too? And now it's time for our last popper. Okay, Melody. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! And who did we get? Ooh.
Wow, I like her hair. She's so cool.
She is very cool. That's Cassidy.
Now it's-
She's actually the mystery figure here. Actually, it says right on the box, she's the exclusive figure. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get her out of there. She
Okay.
can join the party.
Okay. Do.
Okay, let's try out that dance floor, Melody. Okay, show us how it works, Melody.
Okay.
Whoa, they dance and actually they spin too while they're dancing. Okay, we put her in there and let's see if we can make her pop, huh, Melody?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh, she comes up out the top. Oh, she doesn't really pop. She just kind of goes up and down. Isn't that cool? What do you think, Koa?
Now it's time for presents, guys. Guys, it's time for presents.
Okay, let's open them up.
I want my present. This is my present. And the world's my way.
Whoa, what did you get?
Ooh, I love it. I love it.
What is it? It's a party hat?
Yeah.
And what else?
It's bottles. I love bottles. I can put them in my bottle collection.
Okay, Cassidy's present time. Koa, you gonna help Cassidy open her present? What's in there? What's in there, Koa? Ooh, wow, that's pretty heavy. And who's gonna open this last one? Maybe Bella? Okay, help me, Melody. What's my present?
We got all our presents here on the table.
Wow, look at that. You got bottles and a hat, flower-shaped cookies, and a bowl of pink chips.
I said it's the table ready. Everybody who wants to eat dinner.
Okay.
I want to eat dinner.
Wow, this is quite a dinner. It's a dinner of junk food. Mmm, yummy. Do you want some, Koa? Here, you can drink something.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that.
Well, Treasure Box friends, thanks for joining us. Yeah, we hope you enjoyed our Poptastic party.
And please subscribe when the best found up.
Bye.